Indian Army is one of the outstanding armies in the world. Ensuring national security and national unity is the main focus of Indian Army. Our army is fighting against external aggression and internal threats and maintain peace and security within Indian borders. Except for war and battle against terror, it also conducts humanitarian rescue operations during natural calamities and other disturbances like Operation Surya Hope. It is a major part of national power alongside the Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Indian Army has also fought four big wars with neighboring Pakistan and one with China. The army came into existence with independence. Indian Army has also fought in both World War I and World War II. The Indian Army is operationally and geographically divided into 7 commands. Presently, our army is second largest standing army in the world. The army has its infantry modernization program, FINSAS. The Indian Army is also upgrading and acquiring new assets for its artillery and aviation branches. About basic divisions. There are 9 basic field divisions of Indian Army, such as Command, Corps, Division, Brigade, Battalion, Company, Battery, Platoon, and Section. About equipment, the DRDO has developed a range of weapons for the Indian Army, ranging from small arms, artillery, radars, and tanks. Under the umbrella of administration of the ordnance factories and all Indian military small arms are manufactured. Love for our Mother India creates the firm base of the Indian Army. He sacrifices his life for the protection of nation's pride. Every soldier is a true patriot and is always ready to lay down his life in the service of motherland. Our nation's protection and safety are totally dependent on our soldiers. Indian Army not only fights in the war but also take care in the rescue operations when natural calamities occur. We must feel the pain of the great sacrifice which our Indian Army is doing every day to keeping our country, our people together and safe. Thus, we all salute our Indian heroes and pay homage to the supreme sacrifice which our army brothers are doing every day.